Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to count cards in Trello. So for us to be able to begin, just go ahead and log in first onto your Trello account. So as you can see, we're currently on a board already and I have certain lists in here that has cards. So for us to be able to count the cards on each list, you'll just need to head onto the extensions of your Chrome and try to search Trello card counter. So you could search that on Chrome Web Store. Now, right after, once you have this extension, you'll just need to click on to add this to Chrome and then add this extension to add this onto your Chrome. So as you can see, it has been added already. And right after, you'll just need to go ahead and enable that one. So head back onto your Trello account and you'll just need to go ahead and refresh that first. Right after you refresh it, you should be able to see the count on each side of your list. And that is just basically it, how you count the cards in Trello. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.